Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video you're gonna learning about how to unhide a hidden shortcut of your Facebook navigation bar, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, my name is Stark and you are watching the Starkness Guide YouTube channel, on which I upload the tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what you're waiting for, just hit that subscribe button down below and press that bell icon to stay connected. Thanks guys. So let's dive into it. And first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app. Let me show you first of all this what specifically a navigation bar is. So this whole line is called navigation bar. All of the tabs on it called shortcut of navigation bar. So in this bar you have hide some of shortcuts, and now you want to unhide them and you don't know how to do that. Then just simply follow the steps. First of all, just simply tap at the profile picture in top right corner and tap at that gear to open up your settings and privacy. Just tap on it like that and wait for a while. It will discover, so it's redirecting us to settings and privacy. So in settings and privacy, just scroll a little bit until you get the option of navigation bar. Just simply tap on it like that. That's where you can easily get the option to customize the bar. Just tap at customize the bar, and here you will find all of your shortcut, like available shortcut, hidden shortcut, or pin shortcut. I have not pinned any shortcut, so I cannot see. We can only pin the 3 shortcuts maximum. So in the hidden shortcut, just simply tap at that option in front of that specific shortcut and tap auto to unhide it, and just like that, and again tap that and tap auto, and here you can see we have unhide them. So if you want to hide them, just simply again tap here and tap hide. So that's how you can easily unhide or hide your like Facebook shortcut of navigation bar, which that's how you can easily do that. So I hope it helps you guys. If it helps, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on my channel. Goodbye till the next video.